Alright, for you, but it don't feel the same since you left. I'm through. We don't like being outside, so let's just get casual. Remind me where you stay by 7-5. I cool. You and I can't decide 'cause I'm so in. I'm so.
Hey guys, so I'm currently at Starbucks in the AC Hotel doing some editing, and I went to Wendy's, as you guys saw earlier.
I'm breaking your walls. Just let in your guard. Fuck you as your flaws. I'm on fire. I'm swapping my feet. You swapping my car. I'm swapping these streets. Alright, for you, but it don't feel the same since you left. I'm through. We don't like being outside, so let's just get casual.
Guys, so welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you have been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So the circus is in Jamaica. Yes, the circus. It's like a Mexican circus, and that's where we're headed right now. So they were saying that cars were being stolen over here, so we were really worried, but the security just told us that it turns out it was a party next door and the people were pinning it on the circus, but it didn't actually happen over here. So you have to make sure that you get the facts, guys. Get the facts and don't believe false information. But yeah, we're happy to hear that, and we got our pass ticket thing. You gonna say hi? Hi guys. Not her saying hi to you guys, not her here look cute. We're going inside. This is my second time at this circus. I don't know if it's the exact one, but I know I've been here before in Jamaica, but it was when I was a kid, so now I'm going when I'm a big girl, an adult. Yeah. Don't be like us and come here with your card. It's cash only. Luckily my auntie's inside, so she's paying first and then we're gonna pay back later, but yeah, cash only. Okay guys, so these are the prices when you come here.
Twins, I can tell they as a part. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out the same.
Guys, my mom is mad that we didn't get general. Yes. Because the place is empty. So like if you get general, you're gonna still see. So yeah. So if you come, you can get general. Especially if you come during the week. We're here during the week.
My on my face. Little CC, let it slap with the babe. Say hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of pay. I was on top when the shit been a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like the sauce in a wax. I don't wanna. When I die, put my money in a crack. Couple figures still as far as the leg. She fucking nigga, then she on to the next. Really putting all shit on with a rack. When you get this nigga small in the mall with a rack. Go with us if you really wanna get it. Go with a $500,000 in a sprinter. Oh, really, but you know a big cripple. I got the other than really know. Yeah, cripple, so you nigga DNA. Solid syndicated with the gate. Nigga just in the state case. Very young motherfucker chase, ain't trying to bounce. Got a gun on my allowance, so I gotta read about it. The nigga trippin' like I got $1 zillion, got the drug jumping 9 times when I read times, they ain't mountain. Man, I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas ain't really being modest, in the world, do my deals, never treated like a artist in the house. You can be in my account, my DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures we can go till I hit the these niggas. Should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts, and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they as a part. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out the same. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lack to be in a race. I really might really spit on my face. Little CC, let it slap with the babe. Say hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of cave. I was on top when the shit been a lot. Still on top, and I'm scared of the drop. Change cause I'm good where I'm at. My top, so I'm always good where I'm at. Or the joint, crazy day. When I die, put my money in a crack. Couple figures still as far as the leg. She fucking nigga, then she on to the next. Really putting all shit on with a rack. When you get this nigga small in the mall with a rack. Go with us if you really wanna get it. Go with a $500,000 in a sprinter. Oh, really, but you know a big cripple. I got the other than really know. Yeah, cripple, so you nigga DNA. Solid syndicated with the gate. Nigga just in the state case. Very young motherfucker chase, ain't trying to bounce. Got a gun on my allowance, so I gotta read about it. The nigga trippin' like I got $1 zillion, got the drug jumping.
Like Joe said it. Let's get into it, man. Like Christmas, we don't have food for you. Yeah, mother. We are get to it, you know. I try.
Guys, look at how atrocious her parking is. Look at this.
Okay, so
Like, what is that?
Kind of old. Should I go back?
Oh, brother.
Go back to
So this is a Chinese grocery store that we come
Top
to.
the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip
So at the market, she got a pound for 400.
400. This is not even a. This is like
Not even a pound.
no, definitely not. It's about maybe about half pound.
Ooh. So yeah, you just come in here and get like things that you can't get in other regular grocery stores. Like you can find mushrooms in here. Ooh, what kind of mushrooms are those?
This one is the
Oyster mushroom.
oyster. Let's see how much this piece. $712.
It's definitely imported.
Yeah.
Look at the Brussels sprout. Looks big.
$147.
I can get a little bit though.
For the rice wrap, they salt the whole steak.
Wow.
They salted a T-bone steak.
What is that up there?
I think that's lemongrass.
I was wondering
Chives,
if that's.
chives,
Oh, okay, chives.
T-bone steak for $426. They don't look that great though.
So how can you tell when it's old? The bone?
Like you can see where the bone. Yeah, see, you can see where the blood got old in the bone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So these are more
Yours.
clean. Yeah. These are fresher.
Yeah. Sounds extra
Yeah.
fresh.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants.
Look at her being short.
I'm not short. I'm very tall. Look at me.
Girl, what?
Stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.
We got this out of our barrel. See our barrel pasta. This whole meal is courtesy of, well, almost the whole meal is courtesy of the barrel. This container is also from the barrel. Almost splashed on me. Who do you think you are with these like little tweezer
Check word.
things, girl? Ain't nothing wrong with the cheese. You just don't want to use the cheese. It's pepper jack.
That pepper
With
jack or
with-
that spoiled jack?
Girl, get out of here. Ain't
say
nothing
so.
wrong with this cheese.
Anybody belly running, you know why. They made us use cheese that we've had for 10 years now.
We just got this cheese. Like, this is dinner. We have the lasagna, a little salad, and our makeshift garlic bread on the side. Right now, and the place is packed. It's packed. Like, this is like the day before. What is this? The weekend before Christmas?
Yeah.
Weekend before Christmas? Yeah, the weekend before Christmas. And the place is so packed that we had to park up on the banking here. This is where people are parking. That's where we park. It's really, really busy. Mom, this is like never ended. What? Look how far the line reach. Someone just gave us her trolley because she's like, she can't do this. So, yeah. We might not end up staying here, honestly. We might just put back the cart too. Because we only want two things. Look at that line. That's actually ridiculous. Look at her face. She's like, nah, hell no. It's bending, going around the corner. Ridiculous. Things are ridiculous. Ridiculous. Yesterday we went and got Brussels sprouts. Look at this. Look at the price. Way better. You wish you got it here in bed? Yeah. You got, what do you get, like 4 Brussels sprouts?
It's the whole bag. Although they're tiny and enough people are not buying it anyway.
Yeah, but maybe if you get it from the back, it will be better ones. Yeah. Still, I mean, you peel off the skin anyway. Yeah, it's still a better deal. Look at the line. Oh my god, hell no.
Even the food line.
Yeah, the food line is pretty. They actually have a divider. Usually they don't even have that there.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it's bad. That's how you know it's bad. But look at that line. Oh, no, let's go.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest.
We're at her church event at the Jewels. Yeah, Christmas dinner at the Jewels restaurant in Portmore. We're right by the beach.
Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do.
Everybody get your little snack here already? Alright. All the children them doing them, alright? Children.
Wait a minute, I talk to you. Tell you everything.
Sandra is my in-law. My husband's niece.
Let's just get this right. So it's minister rights, family. So we have family in the house.
I want to introduce this friend of mine. Her name is Louise. Louise, I tell you, if you don't have a friend like Louise, she's a friend that I'm so proud of. And I mean, yesterday I played, you know, and come from Bobby Kill Philo.
I'm saying that this is my brother, eligible, bachelor, champion teacher. Yeah, a younger brother, so give me a talk if you're interested. Yeah. Bless the Lord, church. Praise God. I just want to give God thanks for today. Someone would have said, mighty long way, Lord, mighty long way. Yes, He had brought us a mighty long way. To God be the glory now. Great things He has done. Put your hands for the Spirit of the Lord. Yes, thank you, Lord. Then come on, and He's like, they never made it, but just look at us still together, still going strong. And you are my friend. Let the Christmas get you in now. Come on to the dance now. Let the Christmas get you in.
Within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher.
I love you more than tongue can tell.
You know what, Pastor Ray know anything, don't you? Alright.
One line?
No! One song. Chorus.
Please welcome my head.
No! He's not scared. And the two become one.
Look like we made it.
Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her.
Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to lose and love. Repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise.
Morning, guys. So I'm actually at work right now. Today was my first day opening the store on my own. I had no problems. Well, actually, I couldn't get into the POS system because I forgot my password. But we're good. We're in. I don't think it's going to be very busy today. I'm going to keep myself distracted and hopefully we get a few customers. But yeah, wish me luck.
Sick of this
guys, so I got myself some Chinese because I'm going home to do my hair. Not in the mood to have to go and cook right now. What's up, chat? So I'm currently at the grocery store picking up some stuff for Friendsmas. Look at the price of the Tostitos. I could pass out right now. I was trying to do an affordable meal, but they don't have the bread that I wanted for the dip, so I guess I don't have to use the Tostitos.
I mean, where?
Basically, all the cheese are sold out. I got the white cheese instead of the yellow, and I got the Philadelphia cream cheese, and I got the sour cream. So yeah, it's pretty much everything I need. I know who used this coffee cup and was like, nah, I don't like it. You can tell it's overflowed with I don't care what nobody says. This coffee cup has been used. I don't care what nobody says. Either that or they rested their coffee cup in here and forgot to pick it back up. Yeah, we're gonna push that way back there. Ain't nobody want that.
They HK buzzing like a AK for real. This shit tough, I'm trying to stay sane for real. These girls come on with the same for real. For real. Competition, we gonna play games for real. All I ever know was give it up. Me and all the dogs on the top right now, girl, turn up. Trying to find balance, split it up. Split it up. To love you right, I gotta give it up. Keep bustin' like a AK for real. This shit tough, I'm trying to stay sane for real. These girls come on with the same for real. For real. Competition, we gonna play games for real. All I ever knew was give it up. Me and all the dogs on the top right now, girl, turn up. Tryna find balance, split it up.
Guys, so I'm getting ready to go to my Friendsmas right now. To be completely honest, I only brought enough money for the cheese and all that extra stuff. Why did the cheese cost over $5,000? Like the cheese alone with all the little, I think I got like maybe 4 things. I got the cheese, I got the Philadelphia cream cheese as well. I got the sour cream, and what else did I get? Was that everything I got? 3 things? I already got the spinach the other day, but okay, let's include the spinach. I got the spinach from Price Smart, so it wasn't too bad of a deal. But yeah, the cheese alone costed me like $4,000, and if I mix in the spinach, of course, that's gonna be another $5,000 right there. So, and then I'm gonna go get the chips now. The chips is like $1,000 for the chips. The spinach dip and the chips costed me around $6,000. So yeah, why is it so expensive out here to make some spinach dip? That's crazy. I mean, cheese in Canada is expensive, but damn, I don't think it would cost me like 50 Canadian to make a spinach dip. I might be tripping. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think it would. Real quick, this is my outfit. I'm of course gonna take this head wrap off. I usually just keep them on until I arrive to wherever I'm going, and then yeah, I take that off. But yeah, this is the outfit. Bridget's on the feet. You know my body. Real basic. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all.